Don't have any friends? Well, wowee, you got Snake on your new Windows 95 computer. How radical is that? Snake comes with all the things you need in your life. Entertainment from playing it, a nice friend, which is the Snake, exercise as your fingers mash frantically on your keyboard, and a big brain as you compute strategies on your mind on how to nail the perfect timing and turns. Snake will suck all of the hours out of your day. Snake will provide you with countless hours of fun. Isn't that great? Much like all things in life, we start out as nothing. We grow as we consume, growing faster, stronger, better as we go. And then suddenly, one day, all things must come to an end. Such too is the life of a snake.
Son, I told you to go outside and do your homework.
But Dad, this is so radical and homework is not radical.
Hiya, rebelling now? Out!
As you can see, Snake is fun for the whole family and an excellent motivator for your homework. So kids, stay in drugs and don't do school. Wait a sec. Snake, coming soon to a Windows 95 computer near you. Terms and conditions apply. Snake is not responsible for any losses, damages, or deaths caused by playing the game. Batteries are not included. Not for children under the age of 80. Only for the low price of $3.